Hello everyone. After some battle with this chainsaw, with the Dolmar 153, I've managed to get it sorted. I've sorted it out. It was a struggle with the coil. In the end, I figured it out. Yes, you can use that ignition chip, and it will give you a spark. But when it's giving you spark, that's a big question mark, because until you find out the perfect timing, it's a headache. I told you I dismantled and put back maybe 50-60 times the ignition and the flywheel. So now it's completed, and the oils good, because it has the adjustable oiler. I've completely stripped the chainsaw, completely stripped it and put it back. I have the cover there, so I'll switch over the camera. Hello everyone, and let's see, it's still a little bit snappier on startup, because it's by a couple of degrees, a little bit advanced, but I'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll leave it like that, maybe I'll try to retard it a little bit. It's exactly as in Tin Man's saw case, so it's a little bit advanced, and exactly as in his case, I've cracked the end of the crankshaft. I think that's a design fault, because I've used the proper puller, so not banging, and I think after a couple of times of on and off of the ignition, it weakens the end of the crank. So I obviously I chipped the crank. I think that's a design problem, but still a couple of threads left, it holds. Okay, let's hear this running. So yeah, call this a success, but more than anything, it was a nightmare because of the ignition system. And my honest opinion, yes, they are actually, not might be, they are good chainsaws, but without having spare parts, they worth nothing. And to struggle to fix one, I don't know, because you're wasting time, you're wasting your own energy, and you might as well not succeed in repairing it. So the chances are, I think, 70% of not fixing it and 30% with a little bit of luck. My personal experience, and that's my belief. Again, with this ignition system, with a chip ignition and the ignition coil, is you have to change the spark plug for hotter spark plug, because I have here 1, 2, 3. I'll show you in a moment. 1, 2, 3 good NGK spark plugs. They work on other chainsaws. Actually, I've removed them from other working chainsaws without any problem, with nice and blue spark. But on this one, no. So luckily I had a new old stock Bosch spark plug. I should have make a note of the number, because it's uncommon, the number. But oh yeah, with that one it gives you a very bright spark. Bar and chain will fit the steel mount. Believe me or not, I've installed the old crank seal, although I have some coming. I've left it in WD-40 overnight, soaked in, and made that rubber again pliable, and sealed very nice. Cleaned it, obviously cleaned where the spring is inside, push it back, and it works, obviously, because I had some on order, and the guy said it's gonna take some time because it's on holiday, but I'll have some sent anyway. So if anything, it's just easy. I'll pull everything out and replace. But yeah, if you dismantle any of this, be careful with the crank, with the flywheel side. Obviously with this as well, because look how it has a machined flat side here in order for this washer to stay fixed. With this one I done the crankcase gasket myself. All the gaskets I've rebuilt. I've showed you with that flex oil gasket material. As it is with a little bit advanced, by a couple of degrees ignition, I'm sure it will pull in wood very, very well, because it's advanced, so it will just pull and pull and pull. It's harder to start up. My hand is healing, but yeah, one more time starting it on. Everyone, thank you very much for advices and tips, especially Tin Man and Pung Mai Bai. Maybe I'm wrong, but he has a YouTube channel, and it's a lot of work. This is all I can say, and headache. So I think I deserve it. Thank you very much, and all the best. Thank you.